Hi everyone, welcome to day 20 of Vlogmas. Yay! Anyways, well, not yay. So, say hello to my little friends over there. Last night after I left you guys, I went to go take a shower. I had to grab something out of my bedroom, so I was walking from the bathroom to the bedroom, not running, not walking any faster than I normally do. My right foot went, see you later, slid out from under me, and down I went. Got a nice little floor burn on my arm. I got another one on my knee, and I I hit the floor. So I did not hit my head, thankfully. Um, so I was like, all right, fine, whatever. Shake it off. Took my shower, came back out here, sat down for a little bit, and then I went to go get up to get something to drink, and my foot was hurting. And I'm like, oh no. Well, this is stupid. I was like, I looked at it. It's like there weren't any bruises on it. So I'm like, okay, fine. Maybe I just tweaked it. And then I went to go to bed and I could not get to sleep. My foot kept throbbing. I was just like, couldn't find a comfy position. I propped it up. That wasn't helping because every time my foot twinged, my whole leg would cramp up and it would just go like this, which made my foot hurt worse. So I was up practically all night long. My oldest daughter took me to urgent care this morning. I'm just sitting there going, please don't be broken. Please don't be broken. It's not broken. My foot's not broken. It's just really, really, really bruised. I don't know. I don't remember hitting it on anything. I know I felt my ankle hit the floor, but I don't remember smacking my foot on anything. So I don't know if my left foot went up and then slammed back down or what, because the walkway in between the bathroom and the bedroom is kind of narrow. My linen closet's right there, so it's not really a wide space, but I don't remember hitting the door or any of that. I do remember hitting the floor though, so that's fun. It's just bruised, and I've got today and tomorrow off of work, so they were kind enough to give me like uh, extra oh, what was it? Uh, Slips for work. Yeah, with different days on them because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to go back to work on Tuesday. If not, they gave me a couple just in case because I know they want me to stay off my foot until Tuesday. But if it doesn't feel better, I have extra sheets that I can go, hey, yeah, my foot still is killing me. So I can have extra ones, but I think I can go back to work on Tuesday. We'll find out when I get to Tuesday. So I've been working on getting my temperature blanket caught up. I'm currently 9 days behind, including this week. I'm trying to get this one done, which I need to add the low temperature color to. It's just going extremely, excruciatingly slow. So, yeah, fun. Yeah. Oh joy, don't you wish it were me? Anyway, I'm gonna sit here and work on this. Hopefully get it caught up. I needed to go grocery shopping, and I was gonna do that on Sunday, but seeing as I hurt my foot, I went ahead and ordered groceries for delivery, which was more expensive than I thought it was gonna be. But that's fine. I don't have to carry them in. They will leave them at the front. I will have to drag them into the kitchen. But yeah, I'm going to end up with a bunch of Walmart bags I don't want. I've got plenty of grocery bags in my car, but seeing as it's coming from Walmart, they got to give me their little bags and then charge me for the convenience of their damn bags. So hopefully I won't get too many of those. I hope not, but we'll see. I've got a delivery scheduled between 3 and 5 p.m., so right now it's just a little after 2. I am exhausted. I've gotten maybe 2.5 hours worth of sleep. So, yeah, I have to wait for that delivery. And I'm also contemplating doing the same thing with my laundry because it's like I was gonna do that on Monday. I don't think that's gonna happen either. But I'm gonna look into it. Maybe I can get something going on Monday. Yeah, because I wasn't not going over that. I still have to turn in that internet box. I don't know when that's going to happen. If I feel better on Monday, I can drive down there, but we'll see. Right now it's currently Friday, and this video comes out on Saturday, so we shall see what goes on. And I'm going to work on this. This is as far as I've gotten. I've gotten one high temperature done. I don't know what date this was for. Let me look at my handy dandy little cheat sheet. The 10th. Oops, where am I? There I am. December. I'm working on December 10th right now. The crochet one for what I need to catch up on here, that's already done. I just need to put week 1 and week 2 together. That'll happen after I get this done, which hopefully I want to get at least half of these finished, and then I can finish the other half or whatever after a good night's sleep, because oh man, I need it, but I can't do anything until after my groceries get here. And it's like I just want to nuke something in the microwave and eat, and then just like probably crash. And then I still got to catch up my computer training for work. I have 10 of those left, so if I can do 5 tomorrow and then 5 more on Sunday, I'll be done with it. As they had a lot of issues with one of them. People were trying to do it on their phones, but it wasn't letting them finish it or complete it, and it was just ridiculous. It's like they need a better system for this. Like, it's a pain in the butt on the computer for me also, because I have a pop-up blocker. I had to disable it on that site. I'm just like, and it's still slow, and the system after a certain amount of time will log me out, so I have to log back in. Oh, you completed this. Yeah, no bleep. And then have to go on to the next one. I wish it would just let me leave my session alone until I log out or close the browser. You know, it's like I don't know how long the sessions are that it keeps me logged in for. I'm pretty sure it's not an hour, because some of these modules that I do are over an hour long. So I'm already logged out by the time I complete the quiz at the end. So then log back in, get back in there, look at this, and well, yeah, you finished, and blah, 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 rinse, lather, repeat. So I'm going to stop yammering right now, because I'm tired. My brain's not braining. So I will come back when I make more progress on this. And as you can see, it's a completely different day now. I just got sleepy after my groceries showed up. I ate dinner, sat here, did absolutely nothing. Didn't go past that one day on the temperature blanket that I finished. So I was just like, oh my God, no. I can't do that right now. So I did manage to catch it up to where I was on the crochet one this morning. So that's fun. It's all set up, and I'm ready to work on this week. I did get one crochet done for this week. I just need to do the knit and back and forth until I'm caught the heck up. So that is going to be it for day 20 of Vlogmas. Right now it's like 1:31 on the 20th, so I need to get this edited and uploaded, which shouldn't take too long, and it'll be out by 2 o'clock Mountain Time. So I will leave it at that, and I will start doing day 21 right after this, as soon as I'm finished with it. So I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know how you are in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.